Hi everyone, I'm Justin Bittner from Bittner Built, and this is the Dewalt 5-piece jigsaw blade set, model number DW9735H. This set is a T-shank style blade. Let's go ahead and open it up. The first blade is a fast wood cutting blade, 6 teeth per inch at a length of 4 inches. The second blade is a fast clean wood cutting blade at 6 teeth per inch at 4 inch in length. The third blade is a clean cut wood blade with 10 teeth per inch at a 4 inch length. The fourth blade is a laminate downcut blade, 10 teeth per inch at a 4 inch length. And the final blade is a medium metal cutting blade, 3 inches in length with 18 teeth per inch. All blades are made out of high carbon steel and have a T-shank attachment. That was the Dewalt 5-piece jigsaw blade set, T-shank style. I'm Justin Bittner, and you can find me on YouTube on my channel Bittner Built for woodworking videos and tool reviews. And of course, SafetySourceSupply.com to buy this blade kit and all of your favorite name brand tools at incredible discounts. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.